Alright everybody, welcome back. So we're doing a nighttime gardening video. I have this wheelbarrow over here. Let me put the little light on. And I'm about to show you my fertilizer recipe. Now I have this here. I'm just gonna do this at night so you can see. See, we got that little white and blue flame in there. So we get this ash pile here. Let's see here. No. Alright. So this right here, as you can see, is all ash. Now, I burned this. Oh no, there's a bug got stuck in there. Oh no, we gotta get him out. The bayonet. Oh, little bug, it's hot in there. You don't want to be in there. There we go. Hopefully he'll be all right. Probably not. It's pretty warm in there. But like I said, we got the this ash here. Now wait till this burns all the way up to complete dust, because usually in the morning time it turns into complete dust. Once it's like, you can literally, I take a shovel and dig all the way through it and then put it here in this dirt. Now I just turned this dirt over so you can see it's normally like white because this is ash, but I mix in the dirt. I have like a pile of horse manure, and I have a little bit of fertilizer, and then I have compost also in there. And I usually, it rains a lot, so that's why it's a little dark right now. And then while it's filled up with water, I take a shovel and literally shovel the hot coals into the water, and it let it sizzle and burns and like bubbles for like a while. And then when it dries out, put it in the garden. Now let's go check this out. I got a lot of stuff here burning all this wood here. Not the pressure treated wood, that's for something else. But this is all this right here. So just cut these. There's a hurricane that came here a couple months ago, last year. It's actually last year now. Had a bunch of huge piles of stuff, so we're burning all of this wood. Like literally I have like piles and piles of it in this little area here. And once I burn that in there, it goes here. Something else I recommend, you know, in order to get this thing going, I have this little leaf blower here. What's interesting about this is that you can touch it like just barely. It has like a low. And then it has a turbo button, which I didn't hit, but you can use that super low right here to do this. Right where these little Texas stars are at. Don't have to start up the regular leaf blower. You know, you just use the little tiny little adjustable electronic one. Sorry, I got all the dust in the air because it exploded, but try not to get too much of the dust, the actual ash out, trying to keep it. But look at that, you get that nice blue flame there. Yeah, it's looking good. So let me show you what I've been putting it on and how it's been working. So over here, I just posted a video the other day. Actually, I didn't public it yet, but as you can see here, get some sunflower seeds in there. Nice sunflowers, as you can see here. You got these. These are about knee high. I'm 5'8", so nothing too crazy. This one's growing up here, but check this out. We got dual-headed sunflowers. That is a bird seed. That is another sunflower. This is almost waist high, but this one's not even done growing yet. Well, it's done. Here comes another one coming up. Now, simply, as you can see, I just put some here. There's some fertilizer from the dust, you know, the dust wheelbarrow. Just put that on there. Look at this. This has tons of actual heads. We have a multi-headed sunflower. We have sunflower heads all the way up. This is a giant sunflower. It's gonna be pretty awesome because these are pretty good, huh? We got the lemon tree here. This enjoys the fertilizer very much. Got the aloe plant. Hopefully you can hear me. We got the yellow agave. I should probably spray that up more. I didn't spray that very good when I put the fertilizer on it. Got people shooting fireworks or something. And we got more sunflowers going up over there. Now, I didn't plant these sunflowers, as you can see. Hold on, let me move this light around. Got this bird feeder here. When the birds jump on it, these sunflowers fall down, so when they started growing out, I just started to fertilizer and went and dumped it on them. You know, it's all natural because it's stuff that I burned from good wood that's from there. And I got this bird bath here. Now this is 2 trash cans full of horse manure, which is what I use to burn in the fire pit, throw in the ash pile, mix it around, as you can see here. I clean that out every day. The birds love that. It's just the metal trash can lid flips upside down. It just filled with rainwater one day. Birds are going crazy on it, so I just left it there. And I just fill it out and clean it every day. We have like a giant seed pile here. That's for squirrels. I put all kinds of stuff out there. We got the mulch pile. We got the super cactus, as you can see. You guys can check it out. Look at this little thing. Look how this thing's going crazy here, huh? Do not touch those. Those are crazy stiff. Could bounce a coin off of them. But yeah, this thing's coming crazy. Got all these new growths, like 60 of them. This thing's gonna be way too large. I put a lot of fertilizer on this thing. I shouldn't call it fertilizer. It's called natural ash pile, something. Hopefully this sound isn't messed up. Like I said, got the pencil tree, more sunflowers. Got these. The little banana tree survived the winter. People speeding in the back. So I said the nighttime garden is good. Got the rosemary tree in the corner. Like I said, we got the mango tree, the India plum. Like I said, water them at night, super fertilize them. So when I go to work in the morning, they're already nice and soaking wet, ready to go. And the sun dries it out because it's pretty hot here. But yeah, what do you guys think about this double? Actually, like this thing's 5 quintuple. Man, I don't even know. Quintuple headed sunflower. Like, share, and subscribe, comment below. What do you guys think?